Welcome back. This is the module on implementing quick answers. Google Quick Answers, also known as Direct Answers, is an incredibly powerful new feature that Google rolled out in 2014. The visibility of this area of content in the search results knowledge graph gives you more relevant content that you can introduce to your audience. These snippets of content from your high authority pages show up and improve your visibility. In this lesson, we'll learn 3 things. 1, what helps content rank in the Quick Answers box? Number 2, the criteria you need to have in place in order for your rankings in Quick Answers to show up. And 3, how to perform well for technical SEO so that your chances of Quick Answers visibility increase. Google Quick Answers is a method of presenting content relevant to how-to, exploratory, or informational queries. It was introduced in 2014 and is based on the knowledge graph concept. This is a visual snippet of text, typically with bullet points and constructive information that allows you to get answers directly from the search results. Often for instructional content, the quick answers will be shown as well. There's a way to rank for this to get your site and content visible here. Content that is more likely to appear in Quick Answers includes queries that have significant search demand, high authority domains or pages, and quality, engaging, and user-focused content. Let's look at each item that helps content appear in Quick Answers. First, queries with significant search demand. This could be how-to queries that have high demand related head terms or primary terms. You'll want to use the Keyword Planner from Google or another keyword research tool to understand what content is likely to rank. Perhaps you have a lot of how-to or helpful content. You want to determine where you're most likely to win and where you should put your energies. I would first take a look at how-to pages and how-to queries for your domain, then determine which have the most volume or demand. Next, high authority pages. Use one of the many tools we've shared already to determine pages that are well established with good page authority that have relevant inbound links and are well regarded from a search standpoint. If you can identify pages that have deep user engagement, things like bounce rate or time on the page, that would be useful. A quick way to evaluate high authority pages is using the Open Site Explorer tool from Moz. It's most important to have quality, engaging, and user-focused content. Such content may have links to relevant pages or PDFs, perhaps a call to action. If you can, it's best to put things in a bulleted list, answering a specific query or matching the query with a how-to list. Chronology matters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Delineate sequential answers to anticipated questions or queries. Quality, engaging, and user-focused content includes relevant content, a user-friendly layout, video where it's relevant, links to relevant pages and PDFs, a call to action or a specific step you want the user to take, and they answer the specific question matching the query using that how-to list of notes. Technical SEO boosts the likelihood a page will be visible in quick answer results because it improves its value to the engines. If that page is indexed, if it's global and has geo-targeting set up, if the template is good, the load speed is fast enough, and it's mobile friendly. For best results, set up the page HTML, the source code, so that it clearly describes an answer to common questions or queries people may type in. All of these technical SEO tasks boost results on Quick Answers. Finally, having geo information is important when trying to rank a page from another location in Quick Answers. This is covered in another lesson, but briefly, this includes having the href alternate language tags appropriately set up, having geo-targeting done correctly, including in your Google Search Console, and exposing the pages for the particular language or country through appropriate global elements.